There is only one person who had the motive, who had the means, who had the opportunity to commit these crimes.
We're getting closer to a verdict in the trial of Alec Murdaugh, with closing arguments underway right now. We want to get out to our Nikaya Carrero. She is live this morning outside of the Colleton County Courthouse. And Nikaya, what are you seeing so far out there this morning?
Well, Emma, we're here outside the courthouse in Colleton County, but I want to show you something. We've been seeing this line throughout the trial, but this morning it seems like people are getting out here earlier as we get closer to a verdict. This line has continued to grow longer and longer as the morning goes by, and when court resumes this morning, jurors will hear defense closing arguments followed by a rebuttal from the state. Yesterday, the prosecution gave their passionate final plea to those jurors after they returned from a trip to the Murdaugh family estate, where authorities say Alec Murdaugh shot and killed his wife and son. With the security escort, the jury in the Alec Murdaugh trial making a rare visit to the crime scene, where prosecutors say the disgraced lawyer shot his wife and son to death. Jurors spent an hour on the family's sprawling 1,700-acre property, walking around the crime scene near the dog kennels, the bullet holes still visible. Just hours later, the jury was back in the courtroom hearing prosecutors make their final case against Alec Murdaugh.
There is only one person who had the motive, who had the means, who had the opportunity to commit these crimes.
The state arguing Alec Murdaugh was about to be exposed for his financial crimes and was facing pressure from his family about his opioid addiction, so he killed them to buy time and gain sympathy.
Pressures on this man were unbearable, and they were all reaching a crescendo the day his wife and son were murdered by him.
Prosecutors describing in chilling detail how Murdaugh first shot his son, then his wife at close range.
Maggie sees what happens and she comes running over there, running to her baby.
The state then pointing to Murdaugh's string of lies, denying he was at the crime scene until that kennel video emerged, proving he was there minutes before the murders.
Why in the world would an innocent, reasonable father and husband lie about that?
As they wrapped their case, the prosecution asking the jury to remember the victims.
Maggie and Paul deserve a voice.
Pleading for them to convict Alec Murdaugh.
Fooled Maggie and Paul too, and they paid for it with their lives. Don't let him fool you too.
Now court is set to resume this morning at 9:30, and of course we will be here to bring you round-the-clock coverage. Back to you in studio.
All right, our Nikaya Carrero live for us up in Colleton County. Nikaya, thank you so much.